circles, lips, as eyeballs, as eyes. This is very attractive to the shown. Now take the nose and stretch it and make it smaller. Now make lips, but take this lips to the center and again use shape builder tool to cut it. Easy steps you can see in the video. This is very easily. Now take this shape builder tool to remove this part of ellipse and make it lips of the shape easily. Now stretch it longer side, and this is how you create monkey in Adobe Illustrator easily. You can check these eyeballs, make smaller, copy of it, and take left side of the. You can take this and take bottom side of the eye as eyeball, make a copy of it and take it to the other side as well. You can select easily both of them. Now it's time to make eyebrows. Take lips and again use shape builder tool to cut it to the right side of the eyeball. Take this lips and use it to make lips, eyebrows. As I shown in the video, you can practice all of them. You can take this lips to make eyebrows as I show in the video. You can take this, make this smaller and put it on the upper side of the eyes. Easily you can make monkey. Take this eyebrows, make copy of it and take the other side as well. You can make easily copy of it. Now take these lips and use it to make the hair of the monkey easily as I shown in the video. You can make these hairs as well. You can use this here on the upper side of the monkey as I show in the video, and after that we roll it to the downside